Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Synodote video. And today this is going to be a really weird video because it was recommended by someone on Discord. They just randomly hit me up and they're like, there's this like $9 pad that Ikea just made, and I thought it was a joke. And they're like, oh, it's really similar to the Zero. It's like a budget Zero. And then I had this whole idea. It was like, oh, everything is, if it's black, it's fucking similar to the Zero. So I had this idea to make this video to see if this $9 pad can really go against a $50 to $60, Japanese masterpiece. And what's funny is there's just been so many fucking just cheap pads that keep coming, and they're like, oh, is it the new Zero? Is it the new budget Zero? Is it the new budget Zero? And it turns out none of them really can beat the Zero. So let's see if this piece of shit $9 fucking Ikea pad can beat the Zero. And you can hear from my voice that I'm very enthusiastic about this pad, just so excited. Came today, paid like $4 for shipping, but and then this is what it looks like. It's a black pad. It's a fucking $6. Sorry, 6 quid, so $9 black pad. Do you think this thing is gonna beat a fucking Artisan Zero, huh? An Artisan Zero. Do you think it's gonna beat it? But no, according to some people, it's the new Artisan Zero alternative. It's a budget Artisan Zero. Wow, we have to try this mousepad out, guys. I love the Zero so much. Let's see how this guy can perform. So first of all, right off the bat, it doesn't have stitched edges. That's -1 point from me. Do not listen to Boardsy. I watched this whatever the fuck Vaxy PB video, and he didn't mention the stitched edges. Maybe he did, I don't know, but he didn't take away points for it. And without stitched edges, this bitch is gonna fray in like a month. I've had so many of these like G640s or like QCKs and shit, and it's just way too fucking, gets frayed way too fast. So I'm not very enthusiastic about the sides of this mousepad, but let's see. So thickness wise, it's actually quite spongy. However, it doesn't really feel too spongy though. It's more firm compared to I threw my Zero. I have to go and get it. Jesus Christ. Okay. Compared to my Zero Extra Soft, which is very spongy. I mean, it's an extra soft, but I also have the soft. I still do, but and they're a lot spongier than this Artisan Zero alternative. So let's see. Wow, it feels like a QCK. It's literally a fucking OEM black pad. I don't get why people get so excited over these things. Like, legit, if you want an Artisan Zero, why don't you buy one? People who talk about, saying, I have so many, this is an Artisan, a budget Artisan or whatever the fuck. They have like 20 fucking budget Artisan pads, not a singular real Artisan pad. Instead of buying 20 budget Artisan pads, maybe if you bought like an actual Artisan one, you wouldn't need to keep on, buying another one. You wouldn't get really excited when a new one comes out, would you? So, I don't know why I'm fucking ranting, but glide-wise, I mean, honestly, like I said, it's similar to like a QCK. It's a cheap mouse pad. I bought it for shits and giggles. It's like $9. It's not that big of a deal. And honestly, it's not awful. However, I'm not too sure if it has a coating or not. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to find that out. It's just over time, it's going to be, obvious. But like from what I feel right now, it feels very similar to like that QCK G640 type thing where there is a coating, and over time with dirt and grime and constant friction, you're gonna get rid of it, and the pad is just gonna be mud, and it's gonna be awful to use. So right now it's a decent pad. I wouldn't say it's similar to the Zero though. It's not similar to the Zero. No, it's not. But it's $9, and for $9, honestly, I've seen worse. Like, instead of spending, how much is a QCK? 20, 25? I'm not too sure. I haven't bought one of those in like 5 years. So for $9, not a bad pad. Oh, let's look at the base. Of course, the base. Let's see if it has the Artisan base. Does it? Huh? Does it? Come on, don't focus. Focus on it. Good boy. There you go. It doesn't. However, the base seems quite solid. The mousepad isn't moving. It doesn't have that, you know, little bubbly base that the Artisans have. However, the base seems quite fine on my desk, and it's not budging. So you won't have any issues there. You know, if you were worrying about, you know, your mousepad slipping or something. And yeah, so micro adjustments are actually quite, you know, easy on this pad. That's actually quite surprising. I don't know how long that would last for because it probably has a coating, but considering it doesn't, something like that. No, that's actually quite surprising that the micro adjustments are quite nice. The pad is, I would say, around medium speed. I don't know why. It just felt like I don't know if you guys ever used like a Razer Goliathus or something. I have one stuffed in a cupboard somewhere. I don't know where, but the speed kind of felt similar to that. So if you know that basis, you'll get where I'm coming from. It kind of feels like that. And overall, like this review is a joke. Really, like, don't take it seriously because it's a $9 pad. You know, how good is it gonna be? And I'm not going to test the longevity on this because I really don't want to use this. It's not like bad per se, but the thing is, at the point where I am, you know, I've spent like $300 on Artisan pads, and I've like Sky pads and shit. I would just rather use those instead of this. However, if you're very, very tight on budget, for $9, honestly, this is like instead of going out and buying like a QCK or just something else. I wouldn't say it's a zero alternative. It's definitely not. But the feature set that it offers was like, I mean, honestly, the base, it's quite nice. And the feel of the mousepad right now, it's an OEM black pad, but, you know, for $9, really can't go wrong. All right, thanks for watching. I will try to upload more. Cheers.